Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my BTS ON inspired design. For the first 3 nails, I'm not going to be using a base color, so just start off by applying a base coat. On the first nail, use white paint or polish to make the shape of a dove. Use light gray polishes to add shadow and definition to the bird's body, tail, and wings. Use orange to add a beak and feet, and then use black for the eye. Sealing your design with a matte top coat. Next up, we have a conch shell. Use a beige polish to make the silhouette of the shell. Fill in the opening of the shell with a tan polish. Use the same tan polish mixed with the darker brown to add shading to the opening of the shell. You want it to be darker closer to the inner edge and fade out as you move to the right. Use a light beige polish to highlight the spikes on the shell, and then use a mix of beige and tan polishes for the shadows. I didn't use a top coat on any of the nails besides the thumb when I painted this design for the first time because I liked how the texture of the polish looked. If you want to keep the texture, then leave it as is, but if you want your design to last longer, then seal it in with a matte top coat. For the next nail, make the general shape of this mountain with beige polish. Use a tan polish to block off the different layers of rock. Add dark brown shadows to the right side of the rock formation. Keep using the same brown to add shadows under the different layers of rocks. Darken the shadows on the right with black. Add some greenery to the rocks by first dotting on a medium green, then a dark green, and finally a yellow green. Sealing your design with a matte top coat. For this design, you'll want to start off by painting your nail tan. Remove as much polish as you can from the brush of a beige polish and then swipe the dry brush over the nail. You can do the same thing with the brush from the base polish to soften the beige edges. Just like on the last nail, use 3 shades of green polish to add greenery near your cuticle. Use a medium blue polish to make the On logo in the center of the nail. Sealing your design with a matte top coat. Paint your thumbnail white. It's a little hard to see on camera, but I started off by roughly painting a 7 with white polish to give myself an idea of where all the colors should go. Once you've painted your guide, use a variety of blue, yellow, orange, green, and pink polishes to make the Map of the Soul 7 logo. All of the colors that I used can be found in the video description below. Use a light gray polish to make 4 straight vertical lines as well as 7 horizontal lines. Add a darker gray dot to each side of the 7. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!